Okay, number 3, we have 7 over 4 equals x over 18. I'm going to use strategy number 3, which is fraction busters. When you're using fraction busters, you're trying to get rid of your denominators, so you need to find the lowest common denominator, or what's a number that is divisible by both 18 and 4, and the lowest common denominator here would be 36. So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 36. And when I expand that out, it looks like 36 times 7 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. And on the right side, I have x times 36 in the numerator and 18 in the denominator. 36 divided by 18 simplifies to 2, and 36 divided by 4 simplifies to 9. So now I have 9 times 7 equals 2x, or 63 equals 2x. Since I'm multiplying x by 2, the inverse operation is to divide both sides by 2. 63 divided by 2 is 31.5. And to check it, I'm going to use the giant 1 by multiplying my left fraction by a giant 1, 4.5 in the numerator and denominator, to prove that 7 times 4.5 is 31.5 and 4 times 4.5 is 18. So it is true.